Starting today, thanks to scientists from Israel, we will be able to translate text ourselves from Akkadian, the language used in Mesopotamia from the middle of the 3rd millennium BC to the beginning of the 1st millennium. One of the oldest varieties of writing, 5,000 years old. The language is named after the city of Akkad in central Mesopotamia, capital of the Akkadian Empire, founded around 2350 BC by Sargon. Found on clay tablets, the text can now be translated by anyone, with similar ease as phrases are translated using Google Translate. Today, only a small group of experts are able to translate these ancient texts. According to the Times of Israel, scholars from 2 Israeli universities have decided to use artificial intelligence to translate text written in ancient cuneiform script. According to one of the scholars, computer scientist Guy Guthers, translating all the tablets that remain untranslated could expose us to the first days of history, to the civilization of those people. The team is also sharing its open-source research online, in the hope that other experts can create translation programs for other ancient or dead languages. As mentioned by the project's authors, the most difficult thing in training the algorithm was the limited amount of material, images of the tablets as well as translated material from the cuneiform script that the researchers had in their possession, so as to train the AI. The amount of data you train on is correlative to how well you can perform, and the more data you have, the better your models will be. ChatGPT works so well because they managed to train it on basically the entire internet. For us, the main task at the beginning was to gather all the possible translations we could get, to generate as many examples as possible, explained Guthers. The authors say that hundreds of thousands of such texts have been found over the past 2 centuries, most of which are written in Sumerian and Akkadian. Many of them are still unread. The technology can help historians, archaeologists, and other researchers in the study of Middle Eastern civilizations, and perhaps other lesser-known cultures in the future. It remains to be hoped that as artificial intelligence advances, more sophisticated language models will be created that will allow us to translate ancient texts not only written in cuneiform script, but also, for example, Egyptian hieroglyphic script, as well as ancient dead languages that even researchers today are unable to decipher. As an example, we can mention the writings of the Indus Valley civilization. This will allow us to discover even more secrets of antiquity hidden from us until today.